Andariki namaskaram andi. We all have been waiting for this day for a long time now. So today I'm very happy to announce that as you all know, on 3rd December of this month, December month, oka very unfortunate incident occurred in Tangutur PS limits. Some unknown offenders oka house lo enter ayi అక్కడ ఒక మదర్ అండ్ డాటర్కి స్టాబ్ చేసి వాట్ ఎవర్ గోల్డ్ ఆర్నమెంట్స్ దే వర్ వేరింగ్ అది రాబ్ చేసి వెళ్ళారు. సో దట్ వాజ్ అ వెరీ సెన్సేషనల్ క్రైమ్ విచ్ అకర్డ్ అండ్ you all are aware of it, and since then, from the time it occurred, we have formed special investigating team led by additional SP K. Jaudeshwari and DSP Nagraju and all other officers. Chala mandi best inspectors and sub inspectors and other crime knowing persons whoever are there in Prakasham district andariki involve chesi oka special investigation team ఏర్పాటు చేయడం జరిగింది, which has been consistently working since the day this has happened. So chala 2 months aindi, but not even one day anybody has taken any rest. So both technical and manual investigation ikkada jarigindi. In terms of technical investigation, whatever CCTV cameras were present over there, all footages were collected. Each and every minute, each and every second was seen by our team of CCTV watchers. And then all ilanti crimes ekkada jarigindi, all MO criminals ki not just within Andhra Pradesh, even neighboring states lo ekkada this type of crime jarigindi, all persons ki examine chesi akkada teams pampadam jarigindi so that they can verify whether same MO unda leda, same persons could have done this crime or not. So lot of effort, tower dump investigation, CDR investigation, fingerprint investigation, a lot of all angles, thousands of lines of investigation pursue చేయడం జరిగింది. And during the course of time, eventually we have been able to crack it. So ikkada main accused here are A. Shiva Kotaya, he is resident of Kandukur town, and K. Naresh. Both persons have criminal history, and in 2018 they were both in jail at the same time. Akada they got introduced to each other, and since then they have been committing crimes outside. They have coordinated and committing crimes. Our A1 Shiva Kotaya, he is a carpenter by profession, and A2 he often takes auto on rent and does. So they are very smart criminals, very seasoned, hardened criminals. Chala intelligently crime chesaru, because of which it became a difficult crime to detect. And but because of our dedicated and sincere effort, not just one but 5 other crimes, which are all grave crimes, major crimes, which have been undetected in Prakasham district for the last 4 years, almost 5 years, have been detected. So one by one I will go. This is the first crime, Tangutur murder case number 267 of 21. Meeku telusu ikkada 2 lakhs worth gold was taken away. Then second case on the same June month lo Tangutur lo oka gold shop wall lo hole chesi oka jockey, vehicle jockey use chesi hole chesaru oka back side akada kurchoni, and then this gold worth almost 12 lakhs was stolen at night time. So in both these cases, these two accused have studied the movement of the victims. Chala time 1 month nunchi akada tirugutunnaru before the crime, and akada observe chesi anni kanukoni anni they have the idea of where gold is kept, what is the habit of the gold shop owner, eppudu close chestaru, eppudu open chestaru, anni chala reki chesi then they have done this crime. This is the photos of the scene of crime of the second case. Then this is the third case. It is also a very sensational case. 2018 lo oka old deceased old couple, oka husband wife, the 60 years and 55 years old. They are both Vaishya community. They are kirana shop owners. So akada house lo the veli ఫస్ట్ హస్బెండ్కి కొట్టి దాని తర్వాత వైఫ్కి కొట్టి అక్కడ ఉన్న అన్ని గోల్డ్ ఆర్నమెంట్స్ ఈవెన్ బీర్వా ఓపెన్ చేసి అన్నీ తీసుకొని వెళ్ళారు. ఇక్కడ ఓన్లీ వన్ అక్యూజ్డ్ ఇస్ దర్. అవర్ ఓల్డ్ క్రైమ్స్ది ఒక శివ కోటయ్య ఇస్ సింగిల్ హ్యాండెడ్లీ చేశాడు this crime. So here also he has been studying the movement of the victims for long time, and he has done recce in their place. So they are old couple, so we can easily be overpowered. So adi mind lo petti he has done this crime, and he also has one house. Some relatives are present in nearby the scene of crime. So he immediately went back to his house, and so nobody would have suspicion. Otherwise normally people expect that somebody బయట నుంచి వచ్చిన వాళ్ళు చేస్తారు, but అక్కడ దగ్గర his house is there, because of which this crime became difficult to detect at that point of time. But luckily we have been able to detect this చాలా టైం నుంచి pending unsolved crime. Then apart from that, in Chimakurthi in 2017, this person Shiva Kotaya has committed one more robbery. In this case he has gone, ఇక్కడ కూడా రెక్కి చేశాడు. ఇక్కడ బస్ స్టాండ్ దగ్గర ఒక బట్లు షాప్ ఉంది, అక్కడ ఒక ఓల్డ్ లేడీ, షీ ఈజ్ 52-year-old lady, she was alone in the shop. So అక్కడ he asked for some shirt. So when she went into the back side room to get the shirt, he followed her. Then over there he has hit her on the head with a hammer, then overpowered her and taken the gold ornaments she was wearing. So total 2 lakhs worth property he had robbed at that time and gone. Similarly, in 2017 only, that year, another lady ki 71-year-old lady మీద అటాక్ చేయడం జరిగింది. In this lady, she was in morning hours, she was alone in the house, she had gone inside to take bath. So at that time he has entered the house, and when the lady has come outside from the bathroom, at that time suddenly he has hit her on the head. She has received grievous injuries on her head by hammer. And at that time the gold she was wearing, 2 chains which she was wearing and bangles, adi rob chesi velipoyadu. Then next case this is a recent case which has occurred in March of 2021. Here both A1 and A2 have done together. In this they have oka house enter chesi, when complainant was not present in that house, they have entered and taken some gold and silver ornaments and they have gone. So this is the abstract of all the property which was lost. So in these 6 crimes, total 53 lakhs worth property was stolen. In the form of different objects, gold ornaments, silver ornaments, and property recovered is total gold and silver, 1 vehicle, 2 motorcycles, all worth 32 lakhs. So 60% recovery చేయడం జరిగింది. I would like to say ఇది 3 చాలా ఓల్డ్ అన్డిటెక్టెడ్ కేసెస్ ఉన్నాయి ఇక్కడ. 2017ది 2, 2018ది 1. So for long time it has been causing lot of problem to us that ఇంత టైం అయింది ఇది డిటెక్ట్ చేయడం జరగలేదు. చీమాకుర్తి డబుల్ మర్డర్ కేసు గురించి అందరికీ తెలుసు. దట్ వాజ్ అ వెరీ థార్న్ ఇన్ అవర్ for us, but because of the consistent effort, so all these people, this is our supervising officer, special investigating team, technical team, right from additional SP down to home guards, our people have worked with lot of dedication. They have worked very sincerely. I have to really appreciate our officers, additional SP K. Chaudeshwari, DSP Nagraju. All of them have worked very, very sincerely. Inta hard work cheyadam jarigindi. Day by day when time was passing, still nobody gave up. Without giving up, every day we have applied ourselves, and all types of investigation, technical investigation, manual investigation, intelligence gathering, every day some or the other lead was being pursued and ruled out. And it is only because of this hard work and sincerity and this lack of giving up that finally we have been able to identify the accused, arrest them and take them into custody and get the recovery. We have got solid evidences in these cases, which I am 100% confident that in the coming days, when trial happens, we will definitely be able to get the conviction in these cases also. I would really like to appreciate our team for this wonderful work. Their photos are all over here. So all these members, they will be given commendation letters, they will be given rewards and appreciation letters right now. Thank you.